Hello and welcome to this video on how to update the firmware on your MODX to version 2. So I'm currently on version 1, and how do I check this? I would go into Utility and go into the Settings tab on the left and go into the System tab on the second menu. And on the bottom you can see the current version of the firmware, which is version 1.1. So to update the firmware to version 2, I take this pen drive which has been formatted on the MODX and I put it into my computer. Let me switch off the MODX and let's move to the computer. The update is available as a zip file on the Yamaha website. Once you download it and uncompress it, you will see this folder, and that .pgm file there is the firmware upgrade that I will now copy onto the MODX formatted pen drive. And while it copies, it's going to take about a minute. I'm going to quickly go through the manual, and I think you should too. There's a whole bunch of new features. There's new performances. There's extended LFOs. There's USB MIDI and a whole bunch of other fun features. Take the time to check it out. I won't go into detail here. Now it's fully copied, and I'll double check that that's the only file on the pen drive. And I'm going to eject it from here. Now we have to take it to the MODX. Alright, now that we have the update file here on the pen drive, we're going to plug it into the back of the MODX. There, that's done. Okay, and now I have to press down the cursor up button and the utility button down together and power on the MODX. Let's try that, power it on. And I'm pressing and holding the cursor up and utility button this entire time. Okay, so we have this screen here that says it's searching for the updater, and I'm waiting for the next message which says MODX updater. There it is. Okay, now it's found the file. It's gonna prepare the update, so I think it's safe to let the buttons go now, and I'm just gonna forward through this. It's preparing the update, and that's done. It's found the current version. It's updating the MODX. This takes a while, so I'm going to follow through this. Okay, verifying. It's going to verify the update, and then it's finished. So we power off the MODX, and once that's done, we unplug the pen drive from the back of the MODX and then boot the machine back up. Remove the pen drive. Let's turn that back on. It's going to go through a boot process. And then there you have it. That's the home page with all of the new live sets and performances. And if I were to go into Utility, Settings, and System, you will now see the new and updated MODX firmware version 2.0. Alright, so that's it. Enjoy, go explore the new firmware.